Day 22, beginning of week 4, egg layer hatchlings. Last night was the first night that I turned the light off. But I checked on them after dark and they were still sleeping and they were all huddled up. It wasn't too cold last night here in Florida. What's going on down here? Why are you guys making so much noise? But they're doing really well. It's a wonderful start to week 4. All 13 still alive. They're getting cuter and cuter by the day. More and more of their colors are coming out. And you can definitely see that these ones are blues. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's a leghorn. I don't know what that brown is coming from. It's got to be the daddy. Sketchy. We met him last week. But they're doing really well. They're still eating about a container full of food every 2 days. It's a little bit faster than that, but it's not bad. You guys need to start eating these. Here. Here. You'll like that if you try it. You like it if you just try it. It's been in here for a week now. Chickens love tomatoes. Alright, now just give me my chick food. I'm good. You'll like it when you get older. Day 23, egg layer hatchlings. Everybody seems to be up here this morning, eating their breakfast. I filled up their food yesterday, so they're still eating on that. But everybody's running around this morning. As you can see, I removed their heat lamp. It hasn't been plugged in 2 days, and they haven't noticed. Their feathers are all in on their backs now. Here in West Central Florida, they have no problem keeping themselves warm. But they're running around, loving life. I don't know why they won't eat these tomatoes. I mean, if I threw this tomato to my other chicken, cheek, 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 cheek. Get down, Mamba. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Oh yeah, they're all about it. They'll fight each other over it. Watch. I know, this is mine. You all get away. They just don't know what's good for them yet. But they're eating plenty of food. They're getting prettier and prettier every day, showing their colors. They're getting prettier and prettier every day, showing off their colors. Day 24, egg layer hatchlings. As you can see, they're got most of their feathers in, showing off their colors. I had to fill up their food this morning. They're still eating about a container full of food every 2 days. They're running around, loving life. Pretty much on autopilot. Chickens are easy, just keep giving them what they need. And they stay happy. Day 25, egg layer hatchlings. Moving right along. Getting pretty big for egg layers. All 13 still alive. Doing really well. Not too many up here. I filled up their food this morning. Looks like it's about gone, so I'm probably gonna have to fill it up again tomorrow. So looks like they're eating a little bit more food than they were. But they're running around, loving life. Living the life of a chicken. Day 26, egg layer hatchlings. Filled up their food again today. Still going through it about every 2 days. As you see, they kick a bunch of it on the ground. There's 7 up here. It must mean the rest of them are down here. Let's close this up. There they are. They're so pretty. They're cruising right along. Mamba, leave them alone. Beautiful little creatures. Loving life. Running around. Day 27, egg layer hatchlings. Looks like their food is empty again today. So I'm going to have to fill it up. Just filled it up yesterday, so it looks like they're going through a container of food a day now. You guys are getting so big. That ain't all of them. Where's the rest of them at? Oh, there they are. There's the other three. Beautiful little things. Moving right along. Alright, well, I'm going to get them some food. Day 28, egg layer hatchlings. I'm starting the video in here today because, well, let me show you. The chicks I just showed you are hatching, and they need to come out here, so I'm going to have to set up the brooder. They're eating one of those containers of food a day. So they're going to have to give up their nursery. So I've decided that I am going to give them this coop, which all that these egg layers here even use this coop for at all is to lay eggs in. And they only lay eggs in that one spot generally. Sometimes they'll lay them way over here, but most times they're all right there. So, in order to take away their nesting boxes, I had to do something else. And if you're watching this video, you're the first to see it. I built the egg layers, this nesting box that I'm going to install into their sleeping quarter and their run. When I move the gray coop out of the way. Just gave one big nesting box because that's all they use anyway, is one slot. And it's a roll away. This is going to be on the outside of the run. That way I can just collect the eggs and I don't have to go in there to get them. Alright, now back to what you came here for. Day 28, end of week 4. They're doing awesome. All 13 still alive, doing really well. They're eating a container of food a day. I'm probably gonna end up switching them over to this when I put them in the gray coop, which will give them plenty of food. But they're doing really well, loving life, getting really big, showing off their colors really good. I definitely got chicks from each kind of hen I have. The reds, the whites, and the blues. But they're loving life and getting real big and running around enjoying life. Stay tuned to week 5. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.